This may look like a simple gel pen, but behind it is a carefully engineered manufacturing process. Let's see how a gel pen is crafted, from raw materials to smooth writing.
Discover the magic behind every creation, how it's crafted.
Everything begins with raw materials. Plastic granules, metal rods, gel ink chemicals, spring wire, and packaging supplies arrive at the factory floor. Before shaping the pen, plastic granules are dried to remove moisture. This step is critical to ensure strength, clarity, and consistency. The dried plastic is melted and injected into precision molds, forming the main body of the gel pen. Cooling locks the shape perfectly. At the same time, pen caps, soft grip sections, and end plugs are molded separately, each designed for comfort and durability. Excess plastic is trimmed away, and every component is visually inspected to meet strict quality standards. Metal rods are cut and shaped into ultra-precise gel pen tips using CNC machines, allowing controlled ink flow during writing. A microscopic metal ball is polished and carefully inserted into the tip, then locked in place to create smooth, consistent writing. Steel wire is coiled into tiny springs, heat-treated for strength, and tested to ensure reliable clicking and pressure control. Gel ink is created by blending pigments, polymers, and solvents. The mixture must be perfectly balanced for color and smoothness. The ink is filtered and degassed to remove air bubbles, ensuring an uninterrupted, smooth ink flow. Thin ink tubes are formed, cleaned, and precisely filled with gel ink, then sealed to prevent leakage. The ink tube is joined with the gel tip. Each refill is tested to confirm smooth and controlled ink delivery. All components come together. The refill, spring, grip, and cap are assembled into a complete gel pen. Finished pens undergo writing tests, pressure checks, and flow inspections to guarantee consistent performance. After final cleaning, the pens are packaged, boxed, and prepared for distribution worldwide. After dozens of precise steps, a simple, reliable gel pen is ready for everyday use. This is how everyday objects are crafted with precision. For more videos like this, subscribe to How It's Crafted.